Hi viewers, welcome to Homestyle Cooking with me, Paratha. Today, I'll be making an interesting dish. It's called sweet potato parathas. Usually we make parathas with gobi or aloo, but today I want to try it with sweet potatoes. Let's get cooking. To make the sweet potato parathas, I've taken a cup of sweet potato, I've boiled it and mashed it up into this consistency. There's two types of sweet potatoes, one purple and the other one that's orange. I've taken the orange one today. Next, I'll be adding a cup of wheat flour, green chilies, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of dry mango powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of water and I'm going to make this into a dough. Now as you can see, I've kneaded this into a dough. To this I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm just going to cover this and set this aside for 2 hours and we can make the parathas then. Now it's been 2 hours and I'll be making the parathas now. Just going to dip it in some flour. Now I'm just going to fry these parathas. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to both sides. Now it's cooked on both sides nicely. We can plate this up now. There we go viewers, this is how you make sweet potato parathas. I hope you've liked the recipe. If you did, please leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Homestyle Cooking. I'll meet you next time with a new recipe. Until then, this is Paratha signing off.